Hi, it's Scott from Invictus Active. We've got here the Drive Silver Sport 2 wheelchair. I'm just going to take a look and explain how it is compatible with the FreeWheel attachment. So basically you would need a folding adapter as it's a folding chair, and the way that works is it connects to the parallel bars either side of the chair. Now the Silver Sport 2 is a little unique in that it's got the kink um, angle of the parallel bars, but the folding adapter will either connect from here to here if this is over 2.5 inch, depending on the size of the chair, or you could connect it from here to here, either side. And then the way it works is the folding adapter would go either side, comes off with a bracket, and then the FreeWheel would attach to the front. So if you have a Drive Silver Sport 2 chair and the frame is as in this diagram, then the FreeWheel attachment with the folding adapter is what you'll need to get the FreeWheel to work. It'll then make the caster wheels off the floor, so all the problems associated with going along and the caster wheels digging in will be eliminated, and you'll be running on the FreeWheel attachment and the back rear wheels. So if you're interested in that, please contact invictusactive.com and we can supply a FreeWheel and the folding adapter for yourself. Thank you.